Here's what you need to know about what is a repeater. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A repeater is a Layer 1 device that receives a weakened or degraded network signal and retransmits it at full strength. It extends the physical reach of a network without any intelligence. It simply amplifies and regenerates the signal. Repeaters do not filter traffic or read addresses of any kind. Key concept: signal regeneration. As a signal travels through a cable, it weakens due to attenuation. A repeater receives the degraded signal, cleans it up, and retransmits it at the original signal strength. This allows networks to span longer distances than a single cable segment allows. Key concept: no intelligence layer 1. Repeaters operate at OSI layer 1, physical. They have zero awareness of MAC addresses, IP addresses, or data content. Every signal received is amplified and sent out, including noise, errors, and collisions. They extend distance but not intelligence. Key concept: wireless repeaters. Wi-Fi range extenders are wireless repeaters. They receive a wireless signal and retransmit it to extend Wi-Fi coverage into dead zones. However, they can have bandwidth because they receive and transmit on the same channel at the same time. Key concept: repeater versus hub versus switch. A repeater has two ports and just regenerates signals. A hub is a multi-port repeater. It regenerates and broadcasts to all ports. A switch is a multi-port bridge. It regenerates and intelligently forwards to the correct port only. Let's look at the full breakdown. Repeater: OSI layer, layer 1, ports 2, intelligence none, regenerates signal only. Collision domain, extended same domain. Hub: OSI layer, layer 1, ports 4, 24 plus, intelligence none, floods all ports. Collision domain, one shared domain. Switch: OSI layer, layer 2, ports 4, 48 plus, intelligence MAC table forwarding. Collision domain, one per port. Here's a real-world example. An office building has a server room on one end and workstations 120 meters away. Ethernet cable has a maximum segment length of 100 meters. A repeater is placed at the 90-meter mark. It receives the weakened signal from the server room and retransmits it at full strength, allowing the full 120-meter run to work reliably. No configuration is needed. The repeater works automatically. Quick recap before you go. 1. Repeaters operate at layer 1 and regenerate weakened signals to extend network distance. 2. They have no intelligence. They amplify everything, including noise and errors. 3. Repeaters do not separate collision domains. All connected segments share one. 4. Wireless range extenders are repeaters that extend Wi-Fi coverage. 5. A hub is essentially a multi-port repeater. Both are layer 1 devices. That's what is a repeater covered. Exam tip: the maximum Ethernet segment length is 100 meters. A repeater extends this. On the exam, if a question says a cable run exceeds 100 m and asks how to fix it without adding a router or switch, the answer is a repeater or fiber media converter. Next up, what is PoE? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.